shed a little tears because we pack up and nobody cares. Skin and skin are touched together. Why? It's a gash like fire. Somehow we ball out. We embrace our body. And somehow it's like a statue lying down. We're dead now. And one by one, them throw we overboard. But them never see we heart, or we soul. It's only the color of our skin, the leather, the fine fabric. But them a got tired for see we. But them need we. Them can't live without we. Freedom! 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 Why we can't get free, sir? It's just because the color of our skin. But me do all what you tell me to do, sir. And still we can't get free. I'm tired for work in the field. I'm tired for cheering up all day with no food for eat. And if we ain't chop with we have to stand up for free picking equal rights and justice me stand up for. You see any smile upon my face? And tears alone are run down. And my heart, it come like it a go feel. But me nah give up. Me still a run the race. For freedom, for freedom. At last, it come for a way. So, hope you like that one. Subscribe, share, like, and if you don't like it, just share it. Just share it. Share it to somebody. Just like it. Just subscribe, like, and share. Okay? Thanks.